Hi, are you Michael Jackson?
Yes, that's me. And you are Taylor Swift, right?
Yes. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Are you ready for the show?
Yes, I'm happy today.
That's great. Let's sing together.
When you meet someone new, say, "Nice to meet you." Practice, "Nice to meet you." Also remember, "I'm good" equals "I feel fine." "I'm tired" equals "I need rest."
Where are you from, Michael?
I'm from the United States, from Indiana. And you?
I'm from Pennsylvania, but I live in New York now.
New York is beautiful. I love that city.
Use "I'm from" to talk about your country or city. Example, "I'm from Japan." "I'm from Brazil." Practice, "Where are you from?" "I'm from..."
Michael, can I ask, how old are you?
Sure, I'm 50 years old. And you?
I'm 35 years old.
Wow, you look very young.
Thank you. You too.
To talk about age, say, "I'm 20 years old." Ask with, "How old are you?"
What do you do, Michael?
I'm a singer and a dancer. And you?
I'm a singer and songwriter.
That's amazing! Music is life.
Yes, music makes people happy.
Use "What do you do?" to ask about jobs. "I'm a teacher." "I'm a student."
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have many brothers and sisters. We sang together when we were kids.
That's lovely. I have one brother.
Family is very important.
Use "I have" to talk about family. "I have one sister." "I have two brothers."
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to dance and paint. What about you?
I like to play the guitar and bake cookies.
Cookies? Yum! I want some.
Use "I like" plus verb ing. "I like dancing." "I like cooking."
Michael, do you like sports?
Yes, I do. I like football and basketball.
Wow! I like tennis and swimming.
That's cool. Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I go for a walk in the morning.
Nice. I dance every day. That's my exercise.
Yes, dancing is great exercise.
Use "I like" to talk about sports. "I like football." "I like swimming." "I like yoga."
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza and fruit. And you?
I love pasta and ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream?
Yes, my favorite.
Say, "My favorite food is," or "I love." "My favorite food is sushi." "I love hamburgers."
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I've been to Japan, Brazil, and France. What about you?
I love traveling too. I like Italy a lot.
Italy is beautiful and great pizza.
Use I've been to for places you've visited. I've been to Paris. I've been to London.
What music do you like?
I like pop, jazz, and classical music. And you?
I love country and pop music.
Your songs are wonderful, Taylor.
Thank you, Michael. You inspire me.
Use I like or I love for music styles. I like rock music. I love pop music.
What's your dream, Michael?
My dream is to make people happy. And you?
My dream is to write songs that help others.
That's a beautiful dream.
Use my dream is to talk about goals. My dream is to travel the world. My dream is to be a doctor.
It's sunny today.
Yes, I love sunny days.
Me too. Do you like rain?
A little. Rain is good for the trees.
Talk about the weather using it's sunny. It's rainy. It's cold. It's hot.
Michael, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 and eat breakfast.
I drink coffee and write songs.
Do you go to bed late?
Yes, I sleep at midnight.
Wow, I sleep at 10.
To talk about your day, use simple verbs. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to bed. Practice. I wake up at 7.
It was nice talking with you.
It was nice talking to you too, Taylor.
Let's sing together someday.
Yes, let's make people smile. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Great job today. You learned to talk about greetings, family, age, hobbies, sports, food, travel, music, dreams, weather, and daily routines. Keep practicing every day. English is fun when you speak it with music.